Good morning, class 5, chapter number 7, solid, liquid and gas. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed molecules and atoms. And now student, in this lecture we will discuss the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Student, you know, some matter is visible to us and there are some matter cannot be seen. So, the some matter is visible to us such as wood and water, and the some matter cannot be seen such as oxygen and air. So, you know student, there are the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Student, what are the difference between solid, liquid, gas? We will discuss on the basis of the arrangement of molecules. So student, if we talk about solid, so we have discussed also in previous lecture, they have the strong force of attraction between the molecules. So student, the molecules of the solid are tightly packed. You know, the molecules of the solid cannot move. They have fixed shape, size and volume. You can take example of the student brick, book also. So you can, if you draw the outline of the book or brick, so you will see they have the fixed shape, size and volume also. And when student, if you compress, if you pressure the solid, it cannot show the compressed. Solid cannot be compressed. The molecules of the solid are tightly packed. You can see they have a strong force of attraction. Okay students, they are rigid. You can say that there is they do not show the flexibility. They are not flexible. Now student, we will discuss the next states of matter is liquid. Student, if we talk about the force of attraction between the molecules of the liquid is less than the solid but higher than the gas. They are loosely packed. If we talk about solid are the tightly packed, but if we talk about liquid, they are loosely packed as compared to the solid. So in this way, the molecules in liquids can move, making the liquid to flow. They have fixed volume but no fixed shape and size. They can be compressed to a very small extent. They have fixed volume. If you take the 2 ml water in a bowl, so it has the fixed volume, but it can shake the any container. When you take the liquid in any container, whether it is glass, tumbler, bowl, so liquid can take the shape of the container. Okay students, so liquids can be compressed to a very small extent. They can be compressed. Now student, we will discuss the gas. Student, you know, they are present far away. So student, there is a negligible force of attraction between the molecules of the gas. They have the lot of the free space between the molecules of the gases. They move freely in all directions. They do not have fixed size also, shape also and even a volume. They are present far away. They have the negligible force of attraction. They can be compressed to a large extent. Why? Because the molecules of the gas are present far away. Okay students, so I hope you understand. In gases, there is a negligible force of attraction between the molecules of the gases. There is a lot of free space between the molecules of gases and they can move freely in the all direction. They do not have fixed shape, size and volume, and gases can be compressed to a large extent. So you can see there is a table shows the example of the different state of matter. solid, liquid, gas. Okay student, example of the solid: ice, brick. Liquid: water, oil, cough syrup. Gas: oxygen, water vapor and carbon dioxide. So students, I hope you understand. We have discussed the three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and in next lecture we will discuss the knowledge check also and solubility of the matter. Okay students, take care. Bye.